Hey guys, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more updates.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the third part of the making Rubik's cube. The first and second part link will be in the description. Just check below if you don't have watched this. In this video we are going to this third part, and two of the previous had made, and then third layer we have to make a cross here. So let us start. Make a cross. Make a cross as like in the previous. When the cross is ready, now the cross is ready, but the color are not matching, so we'll move that toward the opposite direction so that the same color will be there everywhere. After cross making, we have to make the each side, each 9 cubes some of same color by moving the cube block. Don't worry for the other side, they will manage as they have been. So now upper and lower layer is completed. Now paste that to the other end and we'll make this third row. So for this, turn the cube to one side and you have to do a formula which will be first you have to RL R prime F R prime B double prime double R F prime R prime B double prime R double prime U prime. The yellow face is clear, so you have to move other side and then you have to press R U prime R U R U R U prime R prime. After that you have to see which side it needs, so U, and just to stick to the correct side. All sides are being ready and you have to move and the cube is complete. So guys, thank you for watching this video. The first and second part link will be in the description, so go and watch that also and subscribe the channel. There we are giveaway of this video, this cube. We are going to make a giveaway, so for the participate in the giveaway, subscribe the channel, like and share the video and comment on the video. The 2 lucky subscribers will get the cube. So guys, this cube has been made by him. His Facebook link will be in the description. Message him for